Raleigh engine 11, engine 21, brush fire at I-440 eastbound and I-87 southbound. At I-440 eastbound and I-87 southbound. On channel Ops 1, map 63 Tom.
Alright, Ops 1. Engine 11 responding on one. Engine 21's on thing, gotta work at vehicle fire. Engine 11, you'll come up the ramp toward 87. Oh shit!
Okay, engine 20, 10-4.
Okay. Fuck! Engine 11, come on up to the off ramp. We've been involved in an accident. I'm gonna report it in.
Headquarters copies. What are you guys looking for?
Headquarters engine 21 officer on dispatch.
21, go ahead.
Engine 21 involved in an accident. Everyone's okay. Engine 21, if you will, dispatch the EMS unit and the battalion chief. Also, dispatch EMS unit. Check on tractor trailer involved.
10-4. Verify your location for me.
Preston, District 6.
District 6.
Yeah, I copy that radio traffic. Raleigh Fire. I'll be checking in with them until they can advise on 87.
10-4. We're getting
We're going to be on the exit ramp from 440 onto I-87. That'll be coming from Pool Road.
Raleigh copies. Better location in another truck.
Rescom 33. Engine 11.
Engine 11.
Headquarters, Battalion 2, copy direct.
10-4.
Ops 1, Engine 11.
Engine 11, go ahead on off 1.
Engine around if you don't mind.
10-4.
Engine 11 from 21. Engine 11, what's your location?
Getting on 87 east, headed towards Hodge Road.
Okay, you see the tractor trailer, that's where we're going to be involved in the incident. You're not going to be able to go back toward where the car fire is. I'm going to dispatch engine on 12.
We'll try our best to get around to it. Big quarters, Rick.
Headquarters engine 21 officer on dispatch.
21. Rescom 6-1.
Headquarters engine 21 officer on dispatch.
21, go ahead.
You will dispatch engine 12 location. Go ahead and put us on a TAC channel since we got EMS coming.
Raleigh engine 12, brush fire at I-440 eastbound and I-87 southbound. At I-440 eastbound and I-87 southbound. On channel Ops 1, map 63 Tom.
Stand by for attack channel.
Anyone from engine 12, we're around.
Raleigh engine 10, EMS 78, MVC at 14 I-87 northbound. At 1401 I-87 northbound. On channel Ops 1, map 63 Yankee, MVC.
Headquarters, ladder 8 on dispatch.
Ladder 8, go ahead.
Yeah, 70 Ops 1.
Ladder 8, go ahead.
10 responding on Ops 1.
Across that angle. Engine 11 on scene. We've got a working vehicle fire. 11 officer will have I-87 eastbound command. 10 on your arrival. You're going to have heavy traffic. Just come around, hook into us.
Units reference B7 northbound. Use TAC 14, TAC 14.
Ladder 8.
Engine around on 14. 21 from 10. Go ahead.
Chad, you guys okay?
Yeah, everybody's in the truck's okay. We got significant damage to the engine. Copy that. We're coming to you, buddy.
Hey, Chad, update your location to me one more time.
We're on the exit ramp onto I-87, right just before New Hope Road.
Ladder 8 on plate.
In other words, if you're coming from 12 down 440, that's when you take the off ramp.
21, do you need 12's assistance? Ladder 8, we're gonna move up. We're gonna move the truck. District 6, right on thing. 78, contact 14. 78, you calling District 6? No, I'm just checking on the tax shelter. We'll be approaching from the south. Okay. I'll let you have it just a minute. 21 from 10.
Go ahead.
Battalion 2, you and off 1.
Go ahead for 21.
Are you going to have to try to take the rest down with me? So we start diverting traffic off of you?
Yeah, let's go ahead and shut the ramp down at full.
That's going to be coming from pool, correct?
That's correct.
Copy that.
Battalion 511, officer ops 1.
11.
So you've got engine 12 assisting with engine 21. You got yourself and ladder 8 there also. Do you need any additional units for her?
No, he's on scene if we need additional orderly nurse in at this time. Fire's under control, we're just hitting hot spots.
We see Battalion 2 is aware of engine 21 has, and he's on en route to you as well if he's not already there.
Copy that.
78, District 6.
Go ahead, sir.
All Raleigh Fire and the occupant of the trailer are denying any injuries. They return to service whenever you can make it clear from there.
Agent T is arriving on scene. We're going to be at the exit ramp at exit 14. Now we're going to shut the exit ramp.
10 from ladder 8.
Go ahead.
Can you come on up past ladder 8 and supply engine 11 with your tank water?
I'm going to be right there. Headquarters. 10 off from Pack 14.
Go ahead.
We need RP and I map, exit 14, I-40. Shut that exit ramp down.
10-4, we've got RPD en route to you, and I'll notify DOT.
10-2 with their speed 11.
Battalion 2 is on scene.
Headquarters ladder 8 on tack 14.
Go ahead, M14.
Show ladder 8 on scene with 21 on 97.
Copy ladder 8 on scene.